Using when then statements is a way to encourage the behaviors that you want to see. And you're basically saying, when you complete this activity that you may not be so into, a less preferred activity, then you get a preferred activity or item. So something like, when you finish your homework, then you can play video games. When you finish your dinner, then you can get dessert. And again, it's without having to set up a formal reward system, which we'll go into how to do that a little bit. This is a nice way to still be able to reward the behaviors that might be more challenging or not as exciting for your grandchild. You also want to give choice when possible. So all kids love to have some say in the matter. Especially kids with ADHD, feel like they're constantly being told what to do or constantly having their behavior criticized or under the microscope. And so being able to provide that choice and give them some agency can be really powerful. And you can give this at times where you're good with it, right? So if you're doing homework, you say, it's homework time. Do you want to start with math or writing? It will be more likely that they will enter into homework time with you if they're given some choice in it. If you're brushing teeth, do you want to use the strawberry toothpaste or the mint toothpaste, right? It's another place where either way the teeth are getting brushed, but they had some say. And then finally, you want to model the behaviors that you want to see. Kids really pick up on what they see. And if you are expecting that your grandchild will speak to you in a calm tone, then you should speak to them in a calm tone. If you're expecting that your grandchild will not be on his phone at the dinner table, then you should also have your phone away at the dinner table. So just a helpful reminder that the way that you act is also really important as teachable moments for your grandkids.